Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Ulfiah Hafizah.
Saya Ficia Nindya Maharani.
Kami di sini akan memberikan contoh dari materi kami bab 1 mengenai congratulations, wish, dan hope.
Pelajaran bahasa Inggris.
Hi Ulfi. Hi Fi.
Good afternoon.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you. You? I'm fine too.
I heard you win the quiz competition.
Alright.
Congratulations. By the way, I'm taking part in a singing competition next week. Wish me luck.
Yeah. I hope that you will be the best.